Well, despite a little bit of cleanup this morning, we're in the calm before the storm.
Yeah, it was kind of the perfect cleanup snow, in my opinion.
Yeah, very
Nice
easy.
and
Little brush
fluffy.
off.
Oh yeah.
Didn't take a lot.
Tomorrow's going to be a little bit more of an impact. Timing's an issue, and it's not going to be just snow for some of us. So
Okay.
creates a whole nother set of challenges for the morning drive. Take a look at the numbers now. It's 17 in Bangor, 27 in Portland, and we do have some teens up over the crown of Maine as well. Clouds are increasing. We saw some sun for a while today, but now that the sun is going down, the clouds really starting to thicken up. The storm system is centered out over the lakes right now, and what stands out to me about this is it's a little bigger than the clipper we saw yesterday, and it's not just snow. Now what will happen is warmer air is going to move in aloft, higher up in the sky. But this area of low pressure reforms in the Gulf of Maine, and for some of us, especially southern and western Maine, that will lock in cold air near the ground, even though it's warming up above, and that's a recipe for some freezing rain tomorrow morning. So we'll show you the timeline here. If you're heading out to dinner or have any other plans this evening, you're in fine shape. It's not until about 8 or 9 o'clock some light snow develops over southern and western Maine, and much like we saw last night, this will be light to start. But given the ground is cold, snow can accumulate from the start, and there will be some slippery spots out there by 11 or midnight. By that point, too, watch down East Maine. You may not get much of any snow on the coast of Hancock and Washington counties because the wind comes in off the ocean, allowing the surface to warm up. However, central, southern, western Maine, that wind is coming down from the cold land, and that keeps the surface cold. So at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're well below freezing around Portland and likely dealing with some freezing rain after the snow that we see earlier in the night. Meanwhile, you head farther north, the Mount Washington Valley, the Oxford Hills, the mountains, and far north, you're just dealing with snow at 6 o'clock in the morning. We go through the morning. By 9 o'clock, we've got rain around down east, Penobscot Bay, and parts of the mid-coast, so totally fine for travel here. But you head into the greater Portland area, a lot of central Maine, Augusta, Waterville, we're right around freezing with still a little light mix. So it may still be a little icy through about 9 o'clock in the morning. Up in the mountains, it's still snow, and it's mostly snow up there. It might end as a little freezing drizzle, but that would be about it. By noontime, we're breaking this down to just some scattered showers, and I think outside of northern Maine, where light snow continues into the afternoon, the rest of us conditions are in much better shape once we get past late morning and midday. So in terms of snowfall, it's probably about an inch in Portland. Then we see that change over to freezing rain, a little light glaze of ice on top. Very little, if anything, over down east. You might just get all rain right on the coast there. Bangor, you get about an inch, and then you see a change over to some freezing rain and rain. 1 to 3 inches for Lewiston, Augusta, Waterville, and then 3 to 5 up in the mountains. The good news is the total freezing rain numbers have come down a little bit, so this just looks like a glaze of ice on top of whatever snow falls over southern Maine. Some good news, Thursday looks great. We'll have sunshine with high temperatures up around 40 for many of us. Overall, a really nice looking winter day. And Friday is so mild that when the next system comes in, we just get some rain showers Friday afternoon and evening. And then the next bigger system over the weekend looks similar. Could be a mix Saturday night into Sunday morning. Seas tomorrow 2 to 4 feet with a northerly wind 10 to 20 knots on the water. So after we get through tomorrow, the pattern turns much milder, close to 40 on Thursday, and we stay there actually for a couple of days. The next system to watch is Saturday night into Sunday morning. That could be more snow up in the mountains and then a mix or rain for the rest of us. But it's sandwiched in like Saturday night. So you probably get Saturday morning, midday fine, and then Sunday afternoon fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's still very good.
Yeah. It's the way we see it.
All right, thanks, Ryan.
Yeah.